Have you ever listened to Americans talk and heard strange vocabulary? In this series, I'm going to give you some of the most common and interesting words from the USA. I'm John, and today we're going to study American vocabulary. Gig. Ava and Liam are coworkers. They're discussing some things at work. Hey, Liam, how's the job search going? Any luck yet? Well, I think I've decided to go a different route. Oh, what are you thinking? Something in the same field? Nope, I've decided to become a gig worker. It offers more flexibility and I can work on different projects in the meantime. Are you sure? It seems a little unstable. What about insurance? Right, I hadn't thought about that. Quiz time. What does gig mean? A full-time job? A part-time job? A freelance job? A job with low pay? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. A freelance job. Teaching moment. A gig often refers to a job or assignment that is usually for a specified short period of time. Today, with the growth of the gig economy, this term is often used to describe flexible, temporary, or freelance jobs, especially those through online platforms. This word also means a paid performance for bands, comedians, or other shows. Examples: many people use gig work for extra income. The gig economy is growing as more people look for flexible work options. His main gig is graphic design, but he also does photography on the side. They're creating new laws for gig workers. English extras. This is extra information from the video. Rewatch the video to learn more. Any luck yet? Is it going well? Go a different route. Choose a different path or way. In the same field. The same type of job. In the meantime. During. Thanks for watching. If you have a question or if you learned something useful, use the super thanks. You can support free English content. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.